Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw Snow White. At first, I draw her eyes. Her eyebrow. I draw her face.
Birds are gently chirping, deer are prancing by her side. Magical and joyful in this fairy tale ride. Hey,
I
hey,
draw her
Snow
hair.
White, sing it loud and bright. With your friends so true, dreams can come to you.
I'm drawing the
Queen
bell.
is scheming with a mirror on the wall. Snow White's never fearing.
I
She
draw her
will
neck and shoulders.
conquer all.
I draw her dress.
Magic in the air, happy everywhere. Love will cast a spell.
I draw her
all will
arm.
turn out well. Hey, hey, Snow White, sing it loud and bright. With your friends so true, dreams can come to you.
I draw an apple. I draw some details of her dress. I draw her shoes.
In the woods, she sings her tune. 7 friends, they'll join her soon. Magic creatures all around.
Red.
Snow White smile never frowns. Dancing in the meadow green. Happiest
Black.
she's ever seen. Birds and bunnies hop along. In her heart she holds a song. Snow White, she laughs and plays, happy in her fairy ways. Sparkling in the sunshine bright, everything just feels so right. Wishing well, she makes a wish,
Pink.
cooking up a tasty dish.
White.
Helping Grumpy feel alright, bringing joy
Red.
both day and night. Prince arrives
Blue.
on a shining horse. Love can be a simple force. Hand in hand they walk and sing.
Yellow.
In the air
Dark
there's
blue.
love in spring. Snow White, she laughs and plays, happy in her fairy ways. Sparkling in the sunshine bright, everything just
Yellow.
feels so right.
Red. Thank you for watching.